Hey guys, welcome back. More 57 Chevy time. So here we go. Let's try and get this thing started. Let's go. So we got the chrome piece put on the front here just for a little curb appeal, if you will, right? Now, little of what I did here to get this thing going, or to get this thing where it is. It's not going yet. We're going to try that. But I pulled all the spark plugs, cleaned them all up, and soaked down the cylinders with some transmission fluid. They've been soaking now for, a week or whatever it's been. And I put them back in there, cleaned up the points, filed it down, did the ignition. And we'll put this light up too. So everything's kind of aligning here that it's going to go. I popped the bell housing off the bottom of this thing, turned it over by hand just to be 100% we're not locked up. And the difficult part, of course, now that was the starter. So I ended up going out to the swap meet, just a local one out here. Coincidentally, that was happening. I didn't go to Portland. And I got a phone number of a guy that's Mr. 57 Chevy out here. So thank you, Brad. He hooked me up, $40. I got a starter that fits this thing. The solenoid switches over from any small block Chevy, and bench tested, it's good. So I just bolted that in, and here we go. So firing order, I went through the book, figured that out. Spark plugs are on, and I've got the same setup like what we did with the Hudson Metropolitan here, just with the fuel pump. So this is a 3-pound fuel pump battery. Got a charger here just to keep it going because it's a little bit but basically wired up a starter jumper wire here, and I've got my live wire here too. So we'll hook up the live wire. And then we are live here. So fuel pump would be the only other thing to try here. Let's plug that in. Negative, it's purple today. And that's fuel pump. I hear it there, so we're good to go here. Here's our live wire. And let's give this thing a shot to see if it turns over. Holy, no shit. Nice, wow. I didn't even do the squirt bottle. Let's do the squirt bottle here. I bet you it needs to be primed a bit better than what it is here. Forgive me for the curse word there, but right on. This is awesome. Here we go. Wow. Wow. Super wow. How good is this? Wow. This motor, like we know, this has been sitting for 40 years. So there's no way that I'm going to just start revving everything out of this. I want to just ease this thing back into operation. Fires right up. Just a little. Just got to take it easy on these motors, right? I really don't hear too much for noise on the top end. This thing might be good. Oh, there's fuel coming out of the fuel pump now too. I topped up some fuel, right? So we could even probably do that instead of the mechanical fuel pump, but this is awesome. Yeah, we'll put a rag over that or something here. How sweet is this? That kicks butt. Love it. Oh, that smells like stale fuel. Wow. I can't say this has ever gone this easy before. I'm not kidding, I haven't done nothing with this yet. This is awesome. This really needs to just, like what I'm doing here, is just idle her off. Let her be. You try pumping the idle up a little bit here before it dies. Still got all the cobwebs. Still got all the cobwebs on it. We don't wash the engine bay or nothing on this. I'm almost out of gas, right? Oh, there we go. I think I want to hook up the regular fuel pump. Let's do that. Cool. All right, I'm going to hook up the regular fuel pump and we're going to be right back. Okay. Okay, so live wire, ignition is live, and starter. Give her a little sippy. Nice. Oh, vacuum port. I grabbed a vacuum gauge here. So let's put that on. Now I can turn down the idle a little bit. I think it likes it right there. Again, I'm not going to just rev this thing like crazy. It's just, this is part of waking up an engine. It really needs to just be brought back to life here slowly. So this is awesome though. But I think I'll pop the cover off the side of this and then see what's going on with the valve train. Do the same thing on the top, but it's really pretty quiet. It sounds pretty good. We'll actually do a compression test on this pretty quick. Yeah, I'm pretty sure the tailpipe is long gone on this thing. I can hear some noise up here. Yeah, so the tailpipe is way up there. But 57 Chevy is alive. Oh. How awesome is that? So, what I'm gonna do, close the hood here. Let's try and get the full effect, right? Oh, the vacuum gauge. All right, it's running. It's alive. It doesn't have a name yet, but we're gonna give it a name. Excellent. Thanks for coming out, checking it out. Ton of fun, as always. We're having fun here. Calico Classics. You gotta like it. We'll see you guys on the next one.